This is Clonmacnoise. This is an early Christian monastery site, complete with round tower on the banks of the River Shannon. It encompasses built cultural and natural heritage in terms of the Shannon Callows, the Shannon itself. In the vicinity here we have some excellent eskers and raised bogs, so it's a beautiful setting in the heart of Ireland. At all our sites we're really delighted to share the surroundings with our natural heritage, and we're delighted to find that we have barn owls that are nesting in the round tower in Clonmacnoise, which is just fantastic. And we now know that there are 4 chicks being fed by their parents, coming in the evening when everyone's gone home from their bus tours and that, and all the guys have packed up and gone home. The whole site here is at the behest of the barn owls. To have a nest indeed in a round tower that has been here since the 6th century and hopefully will go on for many centuries thereafter is just fantastic. It couldn't be safer for them.